Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya and welcome to another Saturday morning mix. In today's video I'm going to show you a birthday card, mixed media birthday cake card or art journal. I didn't decide yet what I'm going to do with them. But the thing is, I was cleaning my craft room, and destashing a lot. Then I found out these containers because I used to have a big humongous really craft room. Then when we moved to our new house, my craft room is really small, so some of my craft supplies or old craft supplies in the basement. So I'm trying get every week a box and see what I have and what I don't want to destash it because of the space. So I found out that I have containers full of die cut pieces, embellishments, stamping images. Hi, Jabri saying hi. You see, this is just the die cuts, and I have, I think, a big container. Where is it? I don't know, somewhere. Yeah, this one. Let me show you. This one, full of stamping images. What? You see? Anyway. So definitely I don't want to throw them. So I decided that I'm going to use these in Saturday morning mix. So I'm gonna grab something and I will do something with it. So if I have the die, I'm going to show it to you. If I don't, so I'll try to look online to see if this die available or not. But because these are old supplies or old stamps and dies, so I don't think so that they are available. And that's what happened for today's card. I didn't find the die. I think I destashed it, or I don't know, or maybe in the basement. So yeah, I'm gonna insert a photo for the die. So but let me take this stuff out of here so I can show you my cards. So what did I use? I used these amazing liquid pearls by Ranger. I love these so much. Easy to use, they never clog. I like to paint with them, so I use all these pastel colors. I use some glitter, and I don't know what is this, mini pearls. Cute. I have box of embellishments, flowers, so I use this also. I use these inks by Tailored Expressions, like pastel color, cupcake, macaron, peach and cream, salt water, taffy, and mint julep. I think so. Again, more this is Lilac Bloom Confetti by Tonic. Again, it's a birthday, so it's full of glitter. And what else? Yeah, and this die, Bow Galore by Pretty Papertrey ink. Okay, so let me show you the first card, or the first cake. This one. This die is by Sizzix. I don't remember the name. I'm going to insert a photo here, and also I'm going to upload some shorts where it's like a mini tutorial where I put these together. Love it, so beautiful. So this is the first one, and that's the second one. Here, this I used designed paper and Prima flower. Here I blended these pieces. I colored the cake with inks. Then I used the Papertrey ink bow die here, and I colored the candles, the flame and the candles with liquid pearls, and definitely glitter everywhere. And finally, this one. I'm not sure about this one. Sometimes, I see cakes that has flowers in the corner. This flower was big, so I cut it, but it doesn't look, I don't know, I feel it doesn't look good, or I need maybe to make it more smaller, I'm not sure. So anyway, for the cake, I fill the cake with confetti and mini bowls or mini pearls. I use Prima flowers, and what else? Yeah, and also I color the candle with liquid pearls. I'm not sure, shall I cut it or put smaller smaller flower. What do you think, Jabril?
I'm seeing tiny flower.
Another flower? Yeah, I'm not sure. We'll see. So, yeah, this is the last card. So yeah, it's a very small video. I don't have that much to share, but I'm going to upload, you know, again, mini tutorials. Or maybe I can insert them here because I think that's 2 minutes.
Mama?
Yes?
Are you gonna build more? Are you gonna build more cakes?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I think that's my favorite. That's the best one, really. I don't know. Tell me in the comment which one is your favorite. The first, the second with blending ink, or this a flower cake. Okay. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like it and get inspired. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.
Bye.